Here's the real reason you stumble after sitting for hours. When you park yourself in a chair all day, your muscles and joints start to protest. Your calf and thigh muscles tighten, making that first step feel clumsy. Blood flow slows in your legs, so your brain takes an extra beat to reroute fresh circulation when you stand. That's why you might feel stiff or off balance the instant you stand. To reset fast, stand up and do a quick calf stretch. Follow with a gentle hamstring bend. Reach toward your toes, and don't forget hydration. Water helps muscles glide smoothly, so sip throughout the day. If stiffness persists or you experience pain or dizziness when standing, it's time to get checked. Why wait for a doctor's visit when you could find out what's going on right now for free with the Ubie Symptom Checker? It's the only doctor-approved AI symptom checker, trusted by millions. Tap like and follow for more science-backed health hacks.